function. Okay, so problem is, the included code stub will read an integer n from standard input without using any string methods. Try to print the following 1, 2, 3 to n like this. Okay. So suppose if the n is equal to 5. So what I have to print? Print the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. So suppose input is 3. The output will come 1, 2, 3 like this. It is simple. Print the list of integers from 1 through n as a string. So n will take the input, and whatever the input we have to print from 1 to till the n, till the input. Okay. So let's see what. Okay. Now let's write while loop. I is equal. I'm taking any temporary variable, initialized it with the value 1. Now while because why I'm writing, we have to run till the value is n, right? So I till the I is less than equal to n. Okay, till then we have to run the loop starting from 1, because as in our here it has shown that we have to start constraint is 1 to 150. So we have to write the initial value is 1 until the n. Okay, so while I is less than equal to n, what I will be doing, I will print the number, right? So print I, and then like end value is nothing, so I will be doing nothing. Now we have to also increase the I value by 1, so we'll do that. Now let's run the code. Okay, so the sample test case has passed. Now submit the code. Okay, so our all the test cases has been passed for this problem. So yes, now that's it.